Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from NMWatch and I'm back with another unboxing video, right? So this time around it is another micro brand from Malaysia, right? So if you guys have been following my channel, I think last week I've unboxed another micro brand from Malaysia called the from sheer.com, the Sempurna from sheer.com. So this time around this is a watch from a company called Rolipop, R-O-L-I-P-O-P. And yeah, let's do this quick unboxing. And we have my Victorinox pocket knife here and a quick wristwatch check. I am wearing my Heimdallr 6105 or the Captain Willard homage watch on this canvas soft 2 strap from Blue Shark. Awesome combination in my opinion, right? So the package, I basically yesterday the Sam, the owner or the owner of Rolipop Malaysia, so WhatsApp me and say, hey man, would you like to review our product? And of course I said yes, and boom, today I've got the package, right? So super duper fast shipping from Perak in a state, maybe about 2 or 3 hours from here, right? So let's see, I've already took out the outer packaging, so let's just dive into it, right? So let's just take this one off without hurting myself, right? So I have a, oh my god, I've got to sharpen this knife, so sorry guys, right? So kids, please don't do this at home, right? So what do we have here inside this big package, right? So let's just put that away so that I won't hurt myself, right? So okay, so we have a few things up here. So this is the watch, I think. So we have a few straps and stuff. Okay, so we'll get into that later on in the full review, right? Anyway, so let's get to the watch itself, right? So let's do a quick drum roll. Okay, so nice. Wow, I haven't seen any box like this before, right? So maybe this is the packaging that will come to you. I think they sent me the mass production version. Right, so this is not a prototype, so yeah, that is very nice. So very nice and super strong and sturdy. Oh, before we go into even further, I have to mention that this watch is not sponsored. I'm not sponsored by Rolipop because they sent me this watch for review and I have to return it back, but they do give me a few straps so that I can pair it during the actual review or the fashion strap review. So if you see the sponsored tag, they sponsored me those straps, not the watch, right? So I have to clear that thing off, right? So okay, nice. So we have a international limited warranty. I have no idea, this is maybe the model number, dealer number HQ, and boom, Rolipop, right? So and we have a strap. I think this is a silicone strap that is supposed to be attached to the watch. And we have a tool, and we have the watch itself, right? So this is called Sea Royal. So let's just put it back there. And right, so Rolipop Sea Royal. So they have 3 different model. I think I can't remember the names of the models. So anyway, we'll get to that in the full review. So this is featuring a 42 millimeters in diameter. I need to check back the lug to lug. I think it's 48 millimeters and a lug width of 22 millimeters, right? So quick dimension for that. And we have a, okay, nice, right? So that is a very nice. There's a little bit of back plate, but not that bad, right? So this is featuring that Rolex Explorer, no Explorer, the Yachtmaster style bezel here, and we have that California dial there with, I think yeah, with that California dial style indices, and we have the white color hour hand and minute hands, and very I'm not really sure whether this is ceramic or not. Of course I will confirm that during the full review, but yep, 200 meters of water resistant, and a display case back which featuring this Miyota 821A, right? So this is, I believe, is a hacking and hand winding movement, right? So the previously, you know that the 8215 is a hacking non-hacking movement, but this one is 821A, so it is supposed to be hacking. and let's check that out. Boom. Yep, definitely a hacking movement. Very, very nice feel. Alright, so let's do that 10-10 thing. 10-10 10-10. Boom. And adjust the date. Okay, very nice. Quick and snappy. Oh, I just love that unique cyclops thing over there. This is a sapphire crystal, by the way. Yeah, very, very nice. Right, so what do you guys think of this? Oh, okay, so let's just put the strap in and just do a quick wristwatch check using this particular strap. Okay, quick release. Okay, quick release spins. Sometimes this thing, right, they say it's quick release because it is, yeah, that it is exactly that, quick release, but it's quite difficult to put it on, especially when you are behind the camera. Right, so let's just, yep, okay, yeah, it's good. So let's just see how it looks on my 6.75 inch wrist. Let's just put the Heimdallr away there, and boom. Okay, put it on my skinny Asian wrist. Right, so maybe people, let's just see how big or how small this thing is. Okay, so I am on the third hole, so maybe I could go, nah, that's third hole. So people with down to 6 inch, maybe 6.5 inch wrist, and up to maybe 8 inch wrist can easily use this strap, the provided strap. And okay, so that is quite nice, man. Wow, that looks absolutely macho in my opinion. Yep, you can see the blue hue of the entire reflective coating. Plays really, really nice. I think this is a PVD or DLC coating. Of course, I will be confirming that with the owner of the company during the, and I will inform you during the full review. Right, so what do you guys think of this absolute macho looking black Rolipop Sea Royal? Right, so if you guys have any comments or questions, so please let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye. And of course, I forgot to do the loom check. I'm so sorry, guys. Let's just do a quick loom check, right? So see what is inside. Right, so okay, so we have okay, BGW9 on the indices, and I think C3 Super Luminova on the hands. Right, so quite nice and strong there. Of course, I will inform you guys how does it perform during the night. And yeah, now we can end this video. Okay, bye bye.